Hello, my name is Leonel Moya. I am 29 years old. I am from Aguasul, Casanare. I currently live in the city Acacias Meta. So I am working in the instrumentation and control part. So I am an electronics technologist and I decided to do my professional studies in the UNAT. It is a modality, virtual modality. I want to tell you about an anecdote that happened to a friend in the secondary school where we study. What happened that day was that we decided to go to the school library after 6 in the evening. I was already night. My friend decided going for another place and another way in the school. I followed him but a lot behind. When he climbed the stairs, he says that when looking towards the balcony, he see a beautiful woman with a white dress uh, who looked towards the mountain and had a sad look. The woman and turned around and looked at my friend in the frame. Without looking away from him, she entered a classroom that was alone and without lighting. I watched as he ran to the place to look for the woman, but never found her. I helped look for him, but we never find anything. Okay, this is the anecdote I want to say. I want to talk about. So this is all. Thank you.